Good morning everyone, my name is Johnson Lai. I'm the Overseas Sales Director of Han Global. We are very excited today to show you the mega factory of Han Glory Group. Now as you can see over here, this is our brand new factory with 3 blocks of building, and each block of building 5-story high with 25,000 square meters of working space. At the moment we have 1 factory which is operating now, and today we're going to show you the operation of our first brand new building. Now this is one of the factory floor we have here, and this will be our new beginning of Han Glory Group. And on the ground floor, as you can see over here, this is all the handmade products, bigger machines, which we are manufacturing over here at the moment. So now we are at floor 2, and this is the Homa machine manufacturing assembly. And on the right over here, this is our handshake machines, which is printing on PCB boards. So over here, you can see this is another section over here on the left. You can see this is the Homa machines over on the left. And on the right hand side, this is the 2500 series of handmade products. So over here we are at level 3 of our building, and this is the assembling floor for hand-top machines. And Han Global at the back of the place, at the back of the building. And look at the factory floor here. So over here we are at the 4th floor of our sand top manufacturing floor, and you can see this is the screen printing machine for T-shirts. Same bigger space and a very brand new start. Over here, this is the assembling department for sand top digital section, and as you can see the blue machines over here, this is the OEM manufacturing for M&R Group. So over here, the building behind me is our R&D department. With this R&D department, we have 7 floors up, and all the R&D people is going to work over here by the end of this year.